In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Perplexity Comet BrowseR. We'll walk through the process from finding the official download page to completing the installer, so you know exactly what to expect. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you can save files to your computer. If you're on a work or school device, you may also need permission to install new software. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Comet BrowseR. Type the full name so results are clear. On the results page, look for the official site associated with Perplexity. It should look professional and match the branding you expect. Avoid lookalike pages or third-party download sites. Taking a moment to verify the source helps you steer clear of outdated or unsafe installers. Once you're on the official page, find and click the Download Comet button. This is typically front and center on the page. If the site offers versions for different operating systems, choose the one that matches your computer. Your browser may ask where to save the file or might start saving it automatically. If you see a prompt asking to keep or trust the file, confirm that you want to proceed. If the download doesn't begin on its own, click Download manually. This option is there precisely for moments when the automatic download stalls or is blocked by a browser setting. After you click it, watch for a progress indicator in your browser's download bar. If you don't see anything, open your Downloads folder to confirm the file is being saved. When the installer finishes downloading, open it. If your operating system asks for permission to make changes, approve the request so the setup can continue. Inside the installer, click Start to install and wait patiently. You'll usually see a progress bar and a few status messages. This can take a couple of minutes depending on your system and connection speed. During this time, avoid closing the installer or putting your computer to sleep. If the installer asks you to close certain apps, save your work and follow those instructions. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to accept a license agreement, confirm an install location, or choose whether to create a desktop shortcut. If you're not sure what to pick, the recommended defaults are generally safe. Continue until you see a confirmation that the installation is complete. That's it. You searched for Comet BrowseR, clicked Download Comet, used Download manually if needed, clicked Start to install, waited for it to finish and followed the on-screen prompts. You're all set.